Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you're worried about your liver. Maybe you're always tired, your energy is gone. I get it because a few years ago, I was in the exact same boat. My liver was struggling badly, fatigue every day, bloating, and even early signs of damage on my tests. Doctors said it was heading toward fatty liver disease. But instead of just accepting it, I researched, changed my habits, and completely turned it around naturally. Today, I'm sharing the most common symptoms of a bad liver that most people miss, and then exactly what I did to heal mine. Stick around till the end because this could save your health. Let's dive in. Section 1, what does the liver do? Simple explanation. Your liver is like the ultimate detox machine in your body. It filters toxins, processes food, regulates blood sugar, and produces bile for digestion. When it's overloaded from poor diet, alcohol, sugar, or toxins, it starts to break down. The scary part? Early liver issues often have no obvious symptoms until damage builds up. Section 2. Common symptoms of bad, damaged liver. List with explanations plus visuals. Here are the key signs you shouldn't ignore. Persistent fatigue. You're tired all the time, even after good sleep. Your liver can't properly process nutrients and toxins, so your energy crashes. Jaundice, yellow skin, or eyes. Bilirubin builds up when the liver can't handle it. Whites of your eyes or skin turn yellowish. Abdominal pain or swelling, pain on the right side under your ribs, or a bloated, swollen belly, called ascites in advanced cases. Dark urine and pale stool, urine looks cola-colored. Stools are light or clay-colored because bile isn't flowing right. Itchy skin, bile salts build up under the skin causing intense itching, often on hands and feet. Swelling in legs, ankles, fluid retention due to low protein production. Easy bruising or bleeding, liver makes clotting factors. When damaged, you bruise easily. Loss of appetite, nausea, or brain fog, feeling sick after meals, or mental confusion from toxin buildup. If you're experiencing several of these, please see a doctor for blood tests, alt AST, etc. Don't wait. Section 3. How I fixed my bad liver, the real steps, your personal success story. Now the good part, how I healed my liver. I cut out all the junk, processed foods, added sugars, fried stuff, and alcohol completely for months. I switched to a liver-friendly diet, lots of leafy greens, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, berries, garlic, turmeric, green tea, and lean proteins. I lost excess weight gradually through daily walking and strength training. Even 5 to 10% weight loss makes a huge difference for fatty liver. I added natural supports like milk thistle after checking with my doc, plenty of water, and better sleep. Most importantly, I managed stress and blood sugar. Within weeks, I felt more energy. After a few months, my liver enzymes normalized and symptoms disappeared. It wasn't overnight, but consistency worked. Important disclaimer, this is what worked for me, I'm not a doctor. Always consult your healthcare professional before making big changes, especially if you have diagnosed liver issues. If this video helped you understand your symptoms or gave you hope, hit that like button and subscribe for more real health transformations. I poured everything I learned into this detailed guide. The exact diet plan, foods to eat avoid, and my daily routine that reversed my bad liver. The full step-by-step video is linked in the description right now. Go watch it next. It could be the turning point for your health too. Drop a comment, which symptom are you dealing with? I'll try to reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching. Take care of your liver, because it takes care of you. See you in the next video.